Hello, guys. This video will show you how to fix iPhone unavailable timer no going down. There are 4 methods you can use. The first one, force restart your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions. Press volume up once, then volume down. After that, hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. The second method, use forgot passcode to reset iPhone. After entering wrong passcode many times, the iPhone will be unavailable. If the timer gets stuck, click forgot passcode to fix it. Tap on Start iPhone Reset. Enter the Apple ID password. Click Erase iPhone. Set up the iPhone after resetting. The third method is to use iPhone Passcode Tuner. Open a web browser and then go to this site. Alternatively, directly search for Cocosen your iPhone Passcode Tuner. Then download the software on your computer. Make sure you have installed the latest iTunes. Open the program. Choose Unlock Lock Screen. Click the Start button. Connect the iPhone device to the computer. If the iPhone hasn't been recognized, you should press the volume buttons and the side button to manually put it into recovery mode. Press volume up once, then volume down. Quickly press and hold the side button. Tap on Next. Click Download. Wait for the download to be completed. Read these notes before unlocking. Click the Unlock button. Now the screen lock is removed successfully. Set up the iPhone as a new one. The last method, erase your iPhone with iTunes. Connect the iPhone to your computer. Put it into recovery mode. Open iTunes on the PC. It will ask you to update or restore the iPhone. Click the Restore button. Tap on Restore and Update. Click Next and then Agree. During the process, don't disconnect to the device. After restoring, hit OK.